The Lord is good to those whose hope is in Him, to the one who seeks Him. Lamentations chapter 3 verses 21. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Would you believe if I told you that this waakye was baked in the oven? It was just perfect. Let me show you how to make your own homemade oven baked waakye for that lazy days. You will need it. Let's get started. So these are the list of ingredients, and nothing new, and it's also listed in the description box. All right. So first thing first, I went ahead to wash my beans very well. Over here, I'm using 2.5 cups of black eyed beans, which has been very nicely washed, and also all the foreign materials has been taken away. I went ahead to soak it for about 30 minutes and then add in my oven friendly bowl and add about 2 liters of water. All I will do is I'm going to put it in my oven, which has been preheated at 190 degrees Celsius, and I'm going to cook this for just about 40 minutes. Yes, it does take a little longer as to compared to the ones that you cook on your stove pot. Okay, so I'm just going to allow that to cook, and while waiting, I just wanted to do something that is going to be very beneficial, which is preparing for my salad. I love my salad to be nice and crunchy, so I add in a bit of cabbage. I love the crunch of cabbage in salad, especially when I'm pairing with waakye. So yes, I love that. After that, I'll just go ahead and cut my carrots as well. Love the crunch of carrot too. In here, you can decide to just grate it into finer sizes, but I just love it chunky in here like that. And once I'm done, I'll go ahead and wash it very well and use my salad spinner to just get rid of excess water. And once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and cut some iceberg salad. You can use any type of salad that you prefer, but this is my go-to. Anyone who has ever tried waakye from me always come back with a compliment, especially with that Amalia style salad. So I thought it's wise to share to everybody, because everything that is going to be on this waakye has already been shared except for the salad. Okay, so once I chop this, I'll go ahead and de-seed my tomatoes and cut it like this, and also go ahead and chop some red onion. You can never go wrong with that fresh and crunchy red onions. They just spice everything up, and it's so good. You can also decide to add some cucumbers, which is very nice in here as well. So I went ahead to wash everything very well and spin it to get rid of the excess water. Once done, I'll put everything in a bowl and just season it with a bit of salad seasoning. You can just season with salt, and you will love the outcome. Your waakye spread is never going to be the same if you try making your salad this way. You will love it, especially that crunch. Oh my goodness, it is so amazing. So that is it for the salad. I hope that it helped. I hope that you are going to save it for the next time you'll be making salad for your waakye. Okay, so good. So back to our waakye. Our beans are semi-cooked. It has been in the oven for about 45 minutes. So it is now time for new action. Bear in mind, I did not season it with salt. There is nothing in this beans at all, just water. So I'm now going to add my sorghum leaf powder, which I've also shared the recipe here. So amazing. I added just a tablespoon of that, and I added half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, and there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. As you can see, the beans is not all the way cooked, it is semi-cooked, so that's what you have to keep in mind. And once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and wash 1.5 cup of rice, and I use jasmine rice here. You can use any type of rice you prefer. And I'm going to go ahead and stir everything together Like, this is one chill way of making waakye. It is stress-free, nothing is going to run over, and you just have this chillest day ever. And I'm going to just cover this with my parchment paper and also cover it with a oven friendly bowl, and there you have it. You do not want to just leave the space like this for air to enter, because on top will be very hard. It would be not cook all the way through. Okay, so cover it with a hard cover that will be oven friendly, just like so, and put it in the oven for another 60 minutes. Yes, I said it, 60 good minutes. It has to get that texture. It has to cook all the way through, as you see me do here. All that you have to do is to be checking up on it, just to make sure that you're not burning and everything is cooking at the right proportion. All that I did was just check up on it and stir gently together. That is it, family. So baking your own homemade waakye is possible, and it's absolutely delicious. Today I just wanted to feel at home. I just wanted to feel like I was outside buying my waakye from the Amalia, and so I just went ahead to serve it in this takeaway bowl. It felt so good. I added lots of that delicious salad. Honestly, I do not care for spaghetti, the gari, and all that, no. So I added lots of that salad. My waakye stew was already in the fridge. I also had this shito on the standby. I had some fried fish, and oh boy, this was so good. It was really delicious. To think that I did not have to stress myself so much in preparing this was absolutely good. This is highly recommended if you want to just enjoy a slow living kind of thing. You do not have to always stress yourself. Let the oven do the work. Go ahead, read the book, watch a movie while the oven is getting things done. I absolutely love this recipe. I hope that you loved it too, and share it with your friends and family. Everyone deserves a lazy day, don't we? So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, family. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe and you are going to give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.